Hola class, what's up? This is kind of interesting and kind of neat too at the same time. For my reflection, I think a recent situation that I can come up with is installing Google Chrome. I installed the program, and I think it was like 3 months ago, because I was using Internet Explorer and I just didn't like it. So I decided to go to Chrome, and it was working okay at first, but there was a few times where I would like load it and it wouldn't load the app. So I'd click on it, nothing would happen. I'd double click again, do it like 4 or 5 different times, and it still wouldn't work. And so I was getting super frustrated. It was taking a lot of time up, and I was about to just delete it, and I was like, I'll just go ahead and look online and see if anybody else had similar problems. So what I found online was just to go and install it again. Well, delete it, uninstall it, and then install it again. And a lot of people had said that had worked. So I did that, and it started working fine, and I really haven't had any problems since. So as far as the PDF goes, I never created one until we had class. I didn't know how to even create one. So it was a very, very interesting process. I mean, I thought it'd be something a lot harder, but just Control P and then save as a PDF. I mean, my gosh, it can't get much easier than that. But I didn't really have any problems. I have Google Chrome, so I was just able to save it right from there. And it's super easy. Just save the file, put it in our TCS folder, right? And and then basically just pull it up, go to Blackboard and upload the file, and you're good to go. They're very useful as a teacher because you can use them to preserve. They preserve pictures and also other graphics. So if you had an assignment, say you needed pictures with, like for me as a math teacher, if I wanted to put some like triangles in a geometry class or some sort of other images, I could use that and just save my tests or quizzes or assignments as a PDF, and I could be able to save that photo or graphic onto the assignment, which would be really nice. And also the file sizes are smaller, so it'll take up a lot less memory space. It's more secure, and you could put like a password to it that only your kids could get to it, to hopefully provide more security so no one's like cheating or anything like that. And then this webcam, I've never used it before. I guess I've Skyped one time, but yeah, I mean, just hit start and bam, you're good to go. It's a really easy to use. I didn't have any problems with it. Loading to YouTube, it's simple stuff. I've loaded videos to YouTube before, not webcam videos, but other videos. So as a teacher, it'd be really useful if maybe if I had some kids that were going to be gone for a while, or if I missed a class, I could create this webcam, and maybe I could go over part of a lesson with this webcam, and instead of having the substitute teacher try to teach it, I could send this webcam to the substitute teacher, have her show the video, and I could get a lesson done just through the webcam, which I think that would be really neat. It'd save you from losing a class period of learning, and hopefully keep your classes going, especially if I'm coaching and I have to miss like one class or something at the end of the day. I'd be able to do this, and each and every week, say if I missed multiple weeks in a row on like a Friday for like a basketball game or something, I could just use webcam. I think it'd be super neat idea to use. So I actually might really look into the idea and using this in the future.